All right guys, this round we're going to do a 2019 Porsche Turbo. This one is fully stock. We have Sport Cup 2 tires, all factory, so we're going to go see what this thing can do.
Run it, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss.
30, 60.
All right guys, just did a 2.79 in this. That's going to be really hard to beat, I think, on the street and all-wheel drive. Like, this thing just absolutely sends. So I think it's going to be on top of our leaderboard. Speaking of leaderboards, we're going to have a link down below. We're going to have everything listed out so you can see where all these cars that we're going to do. But thanks for watching Dragy The World, and we'll see you on the next one.
Run it, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs.